UCertify offers MongoDB course prep for IT professionals. So start your prep for the MongoDB course with UCertify. The MongoDB course covers the usage of data in a NoSQL environment and helps candidates quickly obtain results, even for the most complex modeling tasks. In this UCertify course, you will receive 40 pre-assessment questions that will help you identify areas for improvement before you begin the course. It consists of 10 interactive lessons and learning resources with 44 flashcards, 80 quizzes, and 44 glossary terms. It has 27 video tutorials to make your learning more interactive. UCertify comes complete with 29 hands-on labs to give students a real exam experience in an online environment. The lab consists of 3D Sim and Smart Chat, Coding Lab, Live Lab, Object Lab, and Software Sim that simulate real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments that allow students to perform activities in real or simulated environments. In this course, you'll receive 40 post-assessment questions that will gauge your understanding and readiness in the course. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from UCertify. Upon course completion, you will gain knowledge of MongoDB data structures, MongoDB shell, how to develop with program language drivers, how to build complex queries using aggregation, how to maintain MongoDB performance, how to secure MongoDB, and how to get from a web form to MongoDB. Our course is also available on the UCertify mobile app. You can start the course with a web app and end with a mobile app or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about UCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/MongoDB. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.